Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a home decor video. I just got back home from Michael's and I picked up like 3 canvases and some paints. I picked up a silver metallic paint and I think the other paint is called unbleached titanium, which matches the aesthetic of my apartment. The new thing is what everyone's doing is the textured artwork, and to make it a little bit different, I'm going to be adding the paint to it because I want to spruce it up a little bit, but I'm not going to be adding it all over. I'm just going to be adding it on one canvas. I also stopped at Home Depot and I got some spackling. I was looking at different ones, but this one was the #1 bestseller. It's a pink one, but it dries white. Some of the websites were saying that it takes 1 to 2 hours to dry. This is everything that I got. This is the spackling, and this is the unbleached titanium paint, and this is the silver metallic paint, and I got a paintbrush, and I got this knife for the spackling, and these are my canvases. I got 2 24-inch by 36-inch canvases, and then I also got this one, which is 12 inches by 24 inches. And this is going to go on the bottom. This one is going to have the different colors. So that's everything. I'm also going to be putting them on this wall over here, and then I'm also going to be putting one over here because I want to hide that box right there, and I also want to hide this telephone jack because who uses telephones anymore? This is what it's looking like. I just put down some plastic underneath the canvases, and I'm hoping and praying that debris doesn't fly onto the canvases when I start. This is it so far. I feel like I want to add more texture to it. It's dry, so as you can see, this is what it's looking like so far. I think I'm going to add some more texture to it because it looks kind of simple. I like it, but I want to add something else to it, like maybe some more dimension. I'm going to start on these 2 now, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm done with these canvases. I just have to wait until it dries, and I'm probably going to add some more texture onto this one over here. So that's probably what I'm going to do now, but this is what it's looking like so far. this is what it's looking like after I added all that texture just now. And I'm loving it. I want it to be more pronounced. So that's why I added the texture like how I added it. And for some reason, I feel like it's drying faster inside than it was outside because it's been only like a few hours and it's already starting to turn white. So I'm just gonna zoom in so you guys can see. That's the texture on that one. I can even add some more to it. I feel like this is a never-ending thing. Like even right now, I'm thinking about adding a little bit more of this texture, but like all around, you know? So I feel like this is a never-ending thing. I feel like I can keep going with this. But now I want to work on this piece here. Alright guys, so this is painting number 2, and for some reason I just love how the light hits this one. It just looks so professionally done. I'm just so obsessed with it and I love it. It just makes everything look so open. And for this picture down here, I was going to hang it up here, but I'm not completely done with it yet. I feel like I want to add some more texture to it and some more color to it, and I'll probably take pictures and show you guys on Instagram when it's completely done. All I have to do now is just add a coating on top of it so that way it could stay in place and it doesn't crumble and fall off. Until my next video, I love each and every one of you, and I'll talk to you all very soon.